Hi classmates, I am Jerome Bergonio, and today, let's talk about successful entrepreneur. Tony Tan Kak Chong, Filipino entrepreneur who founded Jollibee Food Corporation, born on January 5, 1953. He became involved in the restaurant business from an early age when his father opened a restaurant. At the age of 22, inspired by a visit to an ice cream plant, he set out to gain his own foothold in the restaurant business. Relying on the family savings, he seized a franchise opportunity with Magnolia Dairy Ice Cream and opened 2 ice cream parlors. 3 years later, 1978, he decided to capitalize on this development, discontinue the Magnolia franchise, and converted his parlors into the fast food outlet. Based on the story of Tony Tan Kak Chong on how he started his business, it shows how he used entrepreneurial lenses. In the clear lenses analogy, he comes from a family that has a restaurant business, and with that thought, his mind became open to the industry of being an entrepreneur. Jollibee sells fried chicken, especially their signature dish called Chicken Joy, because it is staple food in the Filipino cuisines and is considered a part of their identity, making it is major draw of a Filipino customer both in the Philippines and internationally. Jollibee focuses on an important product that is easy to sell, and that is fried chicken. To be fair, in different foods like chicken with fried fries, rice and coke, chicken with spaghetti, and more. This allowed Tony Tan to focus more on making marketing strategy, inventory management, and focus on customer service strategies. This can help him also to know how to identify items or products that contribute to the majority of Jollibee sales. Today, Jollibee Food Corporation uses more 8 proprietary brands, including Jollibee for their core fast food business, Greenwich for their pizza and pasta chain, and Chowking for their oriental food outlets. Tony Tan owns many trademarks including Happy Bee, Yum Burger, Chicken Joy, and many more. In effectuation, Tony Tan resources used his money to buy many stocks, companies, and invest to grow as an entrepreneur. Jollibee Food Corporation relies on a franchising model for the exploitation of about half of its outlets in the Philippines. In context of Jollibee, opportunity recognition refers to the company's ability to identify and capitalize on potential market gains and new avenues for the growth. Some of the key aspects of Jollibee opportunity recognitions are global expansion, recognizing the potential to bring their unique Filipino-style fast food in the international markets, especially where large Filipino communities reside. Marketing diversion, digital marketing, social responsibility initiatives. In there, using their platform to address social issues like farmer empowerment through programs like Jollibee Group Foundation Farmers. Tony Tan, realizing that he needs a brand name and logo for his own business, and his family decided using Smile Red Bee. They chose a bee because of its associate with hard work and because honey represents the sweet things in life. The Jolly prefix was intended to happiness and enjoyment. Jollibee investment millions of pesos registered the bee trademark in the Philippines and other key countries. Trademark increased a lot of value to our business, he says. In the industry heavily dominated by companies belonging to the West, Jollibee has been able to make a name itself in due course of time. Jollibee Food Corporation is aimed at franchising, operating, and developing quick service restaurant. In the business model of Jollibee, here is aimed to explaining how Jollibee engagement in various areas of property, leasing, manufacturing to support quick service management.
Jollibee Food Corporation is one of the leading fast food chain in the Philippines. Jollibee's supply chain is built up by their commissaries and distribution center all over the Philippines. The JFC has 3 commissary system sites located in Pasig, Cebu, and Laguna. These commissaries are where the food production starts. Their distribution center, however, located at the North Luzon and North Manila. Jollibee's supply chain management frameworks that outline the key process involved in getting the food from the supplier to the customer, encompassing plan, source, make, deliver, return, and enable stages, helping the company optimize its operation and ensure efficient delivery of product to its store and ultimately.
There are some reasons why score models are important in Jollibee. It is because of cost efficiency, quality control, customer satisfaction. Some of the milestones of Tony Tan Kakchong. Tony Tan business milestone including the founding of Jollibee Food Corporation in 1978, the acquisition of Greenwich Pizza Corporation in 2006, the opening of the first Jollibee store outside of the Philippines in Singapore in 1985. He also being one of the title of World Entrepreneur of 2004. Jollibee Food Corporation is the first ever Philippine-based company to be recognized with the Gallup Exceptional Workplace Award. Jollibee also recognized in the second largest fastest growing restaurant brand in the world by Brand Finance, the world leading independent brands valuation agency. In 2022, Jollibee Group named among the world's best employer by Forbes of 3rd year straight. Jollibee Food Corporation also recognized by the Asia Pacific Tabuli Awards on 2020. In 2015, Jollibee Group Chairman Dr. Tony Tan Kakchong is awarded Entrepreneur of the Year of the Asia Entrepreneurship Awards. And in 2016, President Benigno S. Aquino III confers the Gawad Mabini with the rank of Commander Takilang Kasugo, an Apex CEO Summit Chairperson Tony Tan Kakchong, the ceremony at the Music Room of the Malacanang Palace.